Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a good Q2, all that good stuff. So today is June 30th. What do we have today? We got an action-packed day in history. Today, June 30th, 1905, was when Einstein published his groundbreaking theory of relativity. Today is also Asteroid Day. Happy Asteroid Day. It's a global event held today, basically the anniversary of the Tunguska event, which, if you remember, in 1908 was when a meteor uh, burst and luckily landed in a forest. This could have taken out an entire major city. Luckily, it just landed in the middle of nowhere in Siberia. Um, you can look up the details of that if you want. But what's interesting is this is all connected to the Taurid meteor belt, and this happens actually every year. It's usually uneventful, except for that one time, right, when it took out, a huge section of a forest. But what's really interesting about this, right? So here's kind of the diagrams each year. The belt of all this comet debris comes through, comes close to Earth's orbit, and we see some meteors in the sky. And in that one case, there was one where we actually had an impact. But there's a lot of theories that this is all connected to the Younger Dryas impact theory, that this is the meteor belt that would correlate with the time when maybe we weren't so lucky and these weren't just meteors in the sky, that they may have actually hit Earth multiple times in a number of ways. It's a controversial theory because people say, well, where's all the impact craters, all that kind of stuff. But just for your history, this is what happened on this day. And this unrelated-ish, but because this happened in November, but there's also the Leonid meteor showers, not the Taurid, but the Leonid. And we just published an article on our site about this one. It's a really interesting year, 1833. There's a lot going on. But in this case, just isolating this one specific event, it's pretty interesting if you want to check it out. There's a volcano eruption over in the Pacific, and that, added all this ash in the sky, whatever you want to call it, that made the sun appear, blue or purple at different times. And then later that year, you get this massive meteor shower seen all across North America, where I think there was tens of thousands of meteors per hour that people could see. I mean, literally, people were freaking out thinking the sky was falling. And just you got to check out the article. Enjoy. RealDinge.com.